Welcome to Simplified Tech. In this video, we're looking at our new Windows 11 desktop and how we can personalize it in a few simple steps, using a combination of pictures, colors, sounds called themes. There are three options we'll cover: using included themes, downloading additional themes, and of course, creating our own theme. Let's get started. Let's open the Themes window by clicking Start, Settings, Personalization, then Themes. Here are the included themes we have to choose from. Simply click on the one you want to use and it activates immediately. No need to apply or save changes. Additional themes are also available from the Microsoft Store, where there are hundreds of free themes to choose from. Select the theme you'd like to use. Once you click the free button, the selected theme will download and install on its own. You may be prompted to log into your Microsoft account. It can now be activated in our Themes window. Now let's create our own theme. Maybe you're doing a presentation or sharing your screen for work or school, and you may need just a solid color for a more professional look. But we're going to use our own pictures here. So with Slideshow selected from the drop-down list, let's find the Pictures folder we want to use. Now I have my pictures in the Camera Roll folder. Yours may be different. Just select the folder you want to use. We can choose how frequently the picture changes and also shuffle the order of the pictures. Now let's save our theme and give it a name. There you have it, how to personalize Windows with themes in a few simple steps.